So remind me, what is it we're going to see today?
Well, Alan, today is the first of our new series, and because it's our first one, I've picked a very special, very rare car. No, it's not really, I'm lying. It's a Hillman Hunter, which back in the day was a car that was all over. They sold over 30,000 of them here, and now they are relatively rare on the roads.
If you're of a certain age, you may well have experienced that feeling of standing on the side of the road with the bonnet of your Hillman Hunter up, thinking, why does my car no longer go? All very well when it's your car, but when it belongs to a good friend and it's only just come out of a new service, you're thinking, I really don't want to be here in this situation right now. So if you'd like to see how Alex and I found ourselves in this predicament, swing over to historicalmachines.tv at the link here on screen and listed in the description below, and you can watch our full review of the Hillman Hunter for free, and you can see what happened to us.